Now, as I was pulling the parts out, I did notice some of these corners are bent, but the box wasn't bent, so I might have done that when I brought it out. But they're pretty easy to straighten with just a pair of pliers. This sheet metal is not very thick, it's not very stiff. It looks like assembly is going to be pretty easy. You're just going to line up the holes and put your bolt through. Then you come to the other side, and then you'll hand tighten your nut. Make sure the flat side is up. And with the 7/16 wrench, you want to hold this in place, then go back to the other side, put your screwdriver in, and then just tighten it the rest of the way down. So the worst part this far has been putting this metal strap on the side that holds the two pieces together. And you're going through 3 layers to do so. You'll have the strap and then the 2 layers of steel. The biggest problem inside here, when you try to get these holes lined up and get that bottom bolt in. So we have one of the side straps on, and you notice there is 8 bolts in there. Now we only have 4 support rods. That's all that came with it. So what we did, we spaced them to every other spot on the side here. You can order more from the company if you like. So these are your support rods. They're in 2 pieces, and as you can see, we've already installed the other ones. And how we do that is you screw it all the way in on one side. You just hand tighten real good, and then the other piece, you do the same thing. Until it stops. And then now you see these pieces don't quite touch, but that's what this long nut's for. You can reconnect the two using this. And you just screw that on to about midway. And then there we go. And it's pretty sturdy. It's not bowing out. So. Alright, so here it is. Finished product, fully assembled. It wasn't too bad to put together. Now if you want to use a drill, it would be quicker, but you do need to be careful not to over tighten it, because you could potentially strip these screw heads out, because we had the screwdriver slip on us a couple times just using a regular hand screwdriver. So if you use a drill, just be careful.